to a new video of Padhy World. This is a Mehndi website we have made. It is for the Mehndi artists who want a website for their own business to showcase online. This is the best website I can say, as it contains 5 pages, as you can see: home, services, gallery, about, and contact. So this is the home page, as you can see. Here, if the customer will click, view gallery will come. This is the image carousel, and directly the customer can click book appointment and take the appointment. This is the footer area where all the social media links are available. Also the quick links of the pages and the services what you provide, and the contact information of your. Then after, let's go to the service page. In the service page, all the services will be available with all the details. As you can see, the bridal mehendi, Arabic mehendi, festival mehendi, engagement mehendi, occasional, special, and kids mehendi with fully detailed. You like we can add again more details also if you want. And this is the fact section, like the frequently asked questions. As you can see, it is beautifully aligned with the service page. And this is the gallery page, where all your images of your mehendi will be visible to the customers, and they can directly click book appointment from here. And this is the about page. So this is the about page. As you can see, here you can write about you and how many clients you have approached, or how many designs you have created, how much experience you have. And here the customer can directly click book on appointment and go to your contact page and contact you. This is the contact page. As you can see, it is so much beautifully aligned. This is the Google form. And let me tell you one thing, this website is fully aligned in the phone view or tab view or else a laptop view. It is fully flexible. So if you need this website, you can go to the padhyworld.in in any web browser. Just click padhyworld.in. Go to the sites marketplace and store. Here there are already some websites and web apps also we sell. Just go to the Mehndi website and you can see the YouTube video from here, demo video. First click try demo and it will take to the website to you, directly to the website. So let's see, if you want to buy, then how you can do it. Before that, I just let you know, if you want to contact us directly, you can click here in the chat with us in the WhatsApp icon, and you can directly chat with us. And if you want a customized Mehndi website, the prices will be different. It will be not 49, as you can see here. It is only the 49 costs only this website what is there. You have to edit yourself. But if you don't have any tech knowledge, or else you don't have time for it, our team will do for it, but the customization charges will be vary than this amount. Just click buy now if you want to have only that same website as it is showing. For now, we only have UPI transaction. Just click here in the transaction Write your name, WhatsApp number, email address, and the transaction ID of the payment and the screenshot of the payment and submit verification. After that, within 24 hours, your payment will be verified and you'll get the website of the Mehndi website. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you need any improvement in this video or else any other website and web apps videos you want, or you want something else related to your business you want to customize, you can contact to the padhyall.in through WhatsApp directly. Thank you.